Indexing in DBMS. Indexing is a data structure technique which allows us to quickly retrieve record from a database file. An index take a search key as input and efficiently return a collection of matching record. Indexing is a data structure technique which allows quickly retrieve record from database file. Indexing is used to optimize the performance of a database by minimizing the number of disk access required when a query is processed. Index structure. An index is a small table having only two columns, search key and data reference. The first column of the database is the search key that contains a copy of the primary key or candidate key of the table. The value of the primary key are stored in sorted order so that the corresponding data can be accessed easily. The second column of the database is the data reference. It contains a set of pointers holding the address of the disk block where the value of the particular key can be found. Basic indexing concept. Uh, Here is a data file which contain huge number of record, and the left side table is the index table where only two column, department ID and pointer. The pointer refer the block first position of the block of the table, and the main database file data are divided into separate block. Indexing method. Indexing can be divided in the following types: index, primary index, secondary index and clustering index. And primary index is also divided into two parts: dense index and sparse index. Primary index. If index is built on ordering key field of file, it is called primary index. Generally, it is the primary key of the relation. If the index is created on the basis of the primary key of the table, then it is known as primary indexing. These primary key are unique to each record and contain 1:1 relation between the record. As primary key are stored in sorted order, the performance of the searching operation is quite efficient. The primary indexing is also further divided into two types: dense index and sparse index. So it is a structure of primary indexing. Primary index is an order file which is fixed length size with two fields. The first field is same a primary key, and second field the pointer of the specific data block. So the diagram shown that the pointer portion is point the first location of the block of the main file. So this is the example of primary indexing. Now dense index. The dense index contain an index record for every search key value in the data file. It makes searching faster. In this dense indexing, the number of record in the index table is same as the number of record in the main table. There is a criteria of dense indexing. It need more space to store index record itself. The index record have the search key and the pointer to the actual record of the disk. In this dense indexing, the main file Key field is not mandatory in sorting order. So in dense indexing, the main file, the key field is in unsorted order. So we need to maintain the number of record index table is same as the number of record in the main table. So this is an example of dense indexing. So every pointer point the location of the main table. Parse indexing. In the data file, index record appear only a few items. Each item point to a block. In parts indexing, the main database file, the key field in sorted order. So we need not to store all record in the index file. In this parts indexing, instead of pointing of each record in the main table, the index point to the record in the main table in a gap. So it is a example of a parse indexing. The index file is point to the first position of the data block in the main table. That's why we find the our intended value to search of those block. So it is the example of parse indexing. Now, what is secondary indexing? In secondary indexing, to reduce the size of mapping, another level of indexing is introduced. In this method, the huge range of for the column is selected initially so that the mapping size of the first level becomes small. Then each range is further divided into smaller ranges. The mapping of the first level is stored in a primary memory so that address page is faster. The mapping of the second level and the actual data are stored in the secondary memory or hard disk. So it is an example of a secondary indexing. The primary index file contain two field, role and pointer, and which is stored in the primary level index in RAM or primary memory. The 7-level index file also contain role and pointer, but it is in broad way. Secondary level indexing is stored in hard disk, and the secondary level index file, the pointer point to the main table data block in the memory. So it is an example of a secondary indexing. Now, what is cluster index? A cluster index can be defined as an order file data file. Sometimes the index is created on non-primary key column, which may not be unique for each record. In this case, to identify record faster, we will group two or more column to get the unique value and create index out of them. This method is called clustering index. So this is the example of clustering index where the criteria of the key criteria of the search field is not a key field. So we need to create a group in the main file to point the actual location of the search field. So thanks for watching.